Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you a simple Python script which will check whether a domain name is available for buying or not, or whether a domain is registered successfully on the internet or not. So you can also test it on single or multiple domains. So this is a whole Python script. You just need to create a Python script here. So the video just go to the video description. I have given the blog post link here. This is my own blog post. I have written the script here, Python script. So simply what you need to do is that go to this blog post, just go to the video description, just click the link in the video description, just go to this blog post and make open a simple text editor here. This I am using Visual Studio Code text editor. Make app.py file. Make sure that you have Python 3 installed on your computer. This is only compatible with Python 3, the latest version of Python. So you will see I've copy pasted all the source code here. So we are just using the core Python module, which is request, and then we are checking the domain. So now to run this file, it is very simple. Let me just go to my directory, and simply in order to run this for a single domain, let's suppose python app.py, which is the name of the file. And now you need to, after the space bar, you just need to write the domain name for which you are checking. Let's suppose I write my own domain name, which is successfully registered, codingsection.com. So in this case it will return that this domain name will not be available. So now you can see domain coding section is not available. You can also run this for multiple domain names. Simply after the space, put another domain name, google.com, facebook.com. So you can put as many domain names as you can for this Python script. It will check each script at one time. So you will see it has checked all the three domains: coding section not available, google.com not available, facebook.com not available, because these three domain names are successfully registered by individuals and they are not available for buying. So this is a great utility Python script. And let's suppose I write a domain name which is available. Let's suppose I write Apple Funda. So you will see in the fourth case it will show Apple Funda is available. You can see Apple Funda available. So in this case you don't need to go to any sort of hosting website or domain website in order to check whether a domain name is available. You can check using this simple Python script. You don't need any sort of internet connection. Just copy paste the source code here. I have given in the video description. Just make a app.py file. Make sure that you have Python installed on your computer, and you can run this for single or multiple domain names. So this works for offline. You don't need any sort of internet connection. It will just run it on its own, and it will show you the result inside the command line. You don't need to go to any sort of external website. You can do this right here on the command line. So the link of the the link of the blog post will be there inside the video description. Just download the script which will check whether a domain name is available or not.